How to set the camera timeout duration on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Next, in here, scroll down and then tap on camera timeout. From here you can choose between 1 minute, 2, 5 and 10 minutes. Now with camera timeout settings, it will allow you to determine how long the camera app remains open when it's inactive before automatically closing. This helps save battery and prevent accidental background usage. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.